Morning, friends. Today we're going to read our article Brain Freeze again, and then we're going to talk about some of the vocabulary words and answer some questions about those. So it is called Brain Freeze. It is a hot summer day. You take a big bite from a cold ice pop and ouch, you get brain freeze. Has this ever happened to you? Ice pops, ice pops. As you read, think about how ice pops are made. Ice pops can give you brain freeze, but kids still love these icy treats. Did you know you can make ice pops at home? You can! You can make fruit pops, juice pops, or chicken noodle soup pops. Making an ice pop is easy. You can freeze any liquid into a solid. Ice pops can be any flavor, size, or shape. You choose. We'll show you how to make them. And remember, eat your ice pop quickly before it melts and hope you don't get a brain freeze. How you can make an ice pop. Step 1. Blend. First, give fruit and a little juice or milk and blend it together. Step 2. Pour. Then pour it into the molds and put ice pop stick into each mold. Step 3. Freeze. Next, put the molds in the freezer. Let them freeze for 5 hours. Step 4. Eat. Finally, take the molds out of the freezer. Pull out an ice pop and eat it. Hot tip. If it is hard to get your ice pop out of the mold, try this. Put the mold in a bowl of hot water and count to 5. Then take the molds out of the water. Today, our bold words in our article are liquid and solid. So let's learn about these vocabulary words, and then you guys are going to be answering some questions about them. A liquid, a state of matter that flows. It takes the shape of the container it's in. Solid. A solid is a state of matter that is hard and firm and has a shape. So today I'm going to put some pictures on a Google form for you guys, and you have to tell me if the picture is a liquid or a solid.